Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make mango ice cream. It's yummy. This is the ingredients you need. You need condensed milk, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and 2 mangoes. Please, let's start. Cut 1.5 mangoes because you are going to use the other half to garnish it. After taking the seeds out, you use spoon to take the fruit out, or you can use your hand to remove the skin. You can use your hand to peel it, you see. And you cut it into pieces. Put it into a blender. And blend until smooth. You see how smooth it looks? Pour into a clean bowl. No, we are in summer, so this ice cream is very good for hot weather. If you get this one in your hot weather, after eating hot meal, you need some dessert. So this is also very good for dessert. Add the condensed milk. Don't worry to go out to buy condensed milk. I have recipe there. I have made how you can make homemade condensed milk, and it's very easy. And you mix it with the mango. Add heavy whipping cream to it. Use hand mixer to cream it until thick and mixed well. You can use the standard mixture if you like it, but I prefer to use the hand mixture. That is the easy way. Please don't forget, after watching it, like, subscribe, and press the notification bell there. You see how thick it looks. That's supposed to look. Add the vanilla extract. You mix it together nicely. Please don't forget to like, follow, and share my Facebook page. I'm there, so you can follow me there, please. Pour into the bowl you are going to put into your deep freezer. Please, I'm Instagram, so follow me there, please. The half mango there, cut some, chop it like small like this. And you put it like this. What I'm done with, but it will make it tasty, and you mix it small, not too hard. You make it like this, small. Please don't forget to leave your comment on my comment section, and like, follow, and share my Facebook page. Cover it with aluminum foil, or if you have any different thing to use to cover it, you can make it, and you put into your deep freezer for overnight. You see, it's ready to serve. It's very easy and simple recipe. You can make it. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell there, like, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching Mayu Catering Services.